Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Rohan. So today we are talking about app development, and if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So let's start this video. So today we are talking about what is app development. App development is the process of creating software application for mobile device such as smartphones and tablets, or other platforms like desktops, computers, and web browsers. It's involved designing, coding, testing, and developing the application to the user. There are different approaches to application web development, including native development, written code especially for each platform, cross-platform development using frameworks like React Native and Flutter to the write the code, run, and the multiple platforms. Development using frameworks like React Native and Flutter to the write the code and run multiple platforms. And we also can say web development, building application that run in the web browsers. It is a dynamic and rapidly evolving field with many opportunities for involved and creativity. Now let's understand what is the basic understanding you should have to know about app development. So start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of programming languages commonly used in app development, such as Java, Kotlin for Android, Swift or Objective-C for iOS, or JavaScript for web and cross-platform development. So let's understand the basic step by step. So you need to choose a platform, decide which platform you want to develop for iOS, Android, web, based on your interest, targets, audience, and project requirement. And the second one is learn development tools. Familiarize yourself with the development tool and the environment specific to your chosen platform, such as Android Studio for Android and Xcode for iOS. You also have to understand about UI UX design. UI UX design is understanding the principle of user interface and the user experience, designed to create innovative, visually appealing app interface. And next one is data management. You also have to understand how the data you can manage. So learn how to integrate database into your application, or the sorting and relevant data using technologies like QLite and Core Data, Firebase, and MongoDB. Next one is API integration. You should have to learn how to consume external API to fetch data and integrate server into your application, such as location server, Paytm, and gateway to social media platforms. You also have to learn about testing and debugging. Understand the importance of testing and debugging your app to ensure that facility information and society learn about testing platform and the technologies relevant to your chosen platform. The next one is publishing. Publishing is the familiarize yourself with the app publishing process, include creating development accounts, adhering to platform guidelines, and your app to store, Google Play Store, and app development. And the last one is continuous learning. App development is a continuously evolving field. So continuous learning is the saying the update with the new technologies, tools, and the best practice taught online tutorial, course from and the community. Remember, you need to start with the small projects and the guideline and increase the complexity as you gain preferentially practice, patience, and specifically. Here we can see some other technologies like progressive web application. It is used for HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and building web development apps and providing native-like experience on web browsers. Next one is hybrid app development. Phone gap called web using HTML, CSS, JavaScript wrapped in the native content to build hybrid application. It is electronics using the technologies to build desktop app and the multiple platforms. Next one is game development. Unity, a popular game using the integration support multiple platforms including mobile. We also can say other game engage stable to the mobile game developments. So next one is backend services. Backend services in Amazon Web Services offer version cloud services for app development including storage, database and serverless computing. Second point is Firebase. Firebase provides backend services like real-time database, authentication, hosting and more. Now let's understand how many applications you can create with the app development. There are countless projects ideas you can create and pursue in the app development. Here are some suggestions across development different categories. So you can create a social networking platform for sharing photos and videos and updates. A community forum, a discussion platform on the specific topic on the interest. It looks like a Facebook and the WhatsApp. Next one is e-commerce. You can create an e-commerce website and application and online market for buying and selling the goods. A mobile storefront for the local business. It is really useful for many people, so you can create this kind of application. And the next one is education. You can create an education application like a education language learning app with integration, lesson and quiz. There are some lessons and the virtual classroom platform for remote and learning. You also can create a health and fitness application that is work for a workout tracker with the exercise routines and the program tracking. And our last application is travel and navigation. You can trip plan and itinerary management and negotiation failure. A city guide app with the information about the activities, restaurant and the events. It is really useful application for travelers. Now let's understand why you need to learn app development. One is career opportunities. With the increasing demand of the mobile application across the version industries, learning app development open up numerous careers opportunities whether you want to work for a tech company or a startup. As for freelancer or app development, skill is a highly solution after. The next one is personal development. You also develop yourself by learning. App development can be integrately stimulating and personality fulfilling. It's allow you to continuously challenging yourself, learn and new technologies and stay updated with the latest trended and the tech industry. And the second one is entrepreneurship. Knowing how to develop app allows you to bring your own ideas to life. You can create your own application and start your own business either by developing app and clients for buying the launching your own product and the application and store. And the next one is problem solving. App development involves solving real world problems, thought technologies. It's required circularity and thinking creativity and the problem solving skills which is variable and in many aspects of the life and works. And the last one is tech literacy. It's today digital world. Having a basic understanding of app development provide you with essential tech literacy. It help you to understand how the software and works of increasingly important to the wide range and the professionals. So now let's discuss about which language is better, Java or Kotlin. So first one is Java. Java has been around for many years, is widely used to version applications, including Android app development. It is a statically typed language with a strong ecosystem, extensive libraries, and a large community of developers. Java is known for its stability, performance, and capability. The next one is Kotlin. Kotlin is a new language that was introduced by JetBrains as the alternative to Java for Android and development. And it's designed to be more concise, expansive, and softer than Java, with the famous features like null, safety, and exclusive extension functions. As for the which one is better to learn for 2024, both Java and Kotlin are variable, but I can suggest you should have to start with Kotlin because it is a new language for web developers and app developers. And now let's talk about Flutter and React Native. First one is Flutter. Flutter is an open UI software development kit that is created by Google for building natively complete application for mobile, web, and desktop for the single code base. And here are some points also. Our second programming is React Native. It is an open source framework developed by Facebook for building mobile application using JavaScript and React. It also have some important points you can note down in your notebook. So here are some popular platforms where you can learn your app development. As an app developer, there are numerous places where you can serve your skills, and so the first one is software development companies. You can serve your skills here. And the second one is corporate IT departments. Here are also you can serve your expertise and skills. And the third one is education and training. You can serve your skills here are also. The next one is tech startups. You can also open your own startup and build your own applications. And the last one is freelancing. You can start freelancing. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.